Erupsi. Gunungnya erupsi. Gunung Semeru erupsi, Gunung Semeru.
Lava nih mudun mana cowok? Lagi asli teko kawah iki.
Ya Allah, lava, ya Allah. Lava turun pole. Aku boleh bicara kami. Ya Allah, ada suaranya. Ada suara.
Kau no.
Aku yang keterwa.
Apa terus itu.
Satu lagi tahu?
Breaking news. Mount Semeru's ongoing eruption unleashes destruction across the East Java province. Good evening everyone, I am your anchor tonight and welcome to our breaking news segment. Tonight we're closely following the escalating eruption of Mount Semeru in Indonesia's East Java province. Our reporters are on the ground providing us with real-time updates on the dire situation unfolding amidst the chaos and destruction. And now we turn our attention to the situation unfolding in the downtown area. Our field reporter, Miss Sila, is there with the latest updates. Miss Sila, what can you tell us?
Thank you, Mr. Kaloka. I was in the midst of the impact of the Mount Semeru eruption, where the previously beautiful view turned into a very devastating sight. The ferocity of the eruption has left in the land barren, with roads buried in thick layers of mud and ash. Homes were swept away by the unrelenting current, leaving only the remains of the life that once lived here. The air is filled with strong smells of sulfur and ash, making it challenging for residents to breathe without discomfort or health problems. Back to the news anchor.
Thank you, Sila. Now back at the station. We have invited a very famous professor from the University of Cambridge, Dr. Fikar. Dr. Fikar here is a scientist that specializes in the field of volcanology. Doctor, would you please share your opinion with us on this situation?
Thank you for having me, Mr. Kalpat, tonight.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Professor, this eruption of Mount Semeru has taken many people by surprise. What can you tell us about the factors that may have caused this situation to happen in the first place?
Indeed, the eruption of Mount Semeru was quite unexpected, but not entirely unprecedented. Volcanic eruptions are complex geological phenomena influenced by a myriad of factors. In the case of Semeru, an area prone to volcanic activity due to tectonic plate movements. Semeru, being one of Indonesia's most active volcanoes, is constantly monitored by scientists for any signs of unrest.
So are there any early warning signs that experts typically look for to predict eruptions such as this one?
Yes, volcanologists employ various monitoring techniques such as seismic activity, gas emission, and ground deformation to assess volcanic behavior. However, predicting the exact timing and magnitude of an eruption is challenging. Mount Semeru, like many other volcanoes, can exhibit periods of increased activity without necessarily leading to an eruption. In this case, the sudden escalation caught many off guard.
Very interesting indeed, Doctor. Now, correct me if I'm wrong here, but to my knowledge, this eruption did not come with any of its regular signs. Now, Doctor, can you explain how something such as it could have happened?
Yes, I'm going to answer this question. as the representative of all the volcanology answer from University of Cambridge. And they said, while it's theoretically possible for an eruption to occur without any discernible signs, volcanic eruptions are typically preceded by a sequence of detectable pressure signals such as increased seismic activity, gas emissions, and change in thermal activity. These indicators serve as a critical warnings that help volcanologists monitor volcanic activity and issue timely alerts to mitigate potential risks to nearby populations. In the event of an eruption seemingly occurring without any observable procedures, is it more plausible that the signs were either too subtle to detect with existing monitoring technology, or that monitoring efforts were insufficient to capture the full extent of the volcanic activity? It's essential for volcanic monitoring systems to continuously evolve and improve to the exchange our ability to detect even the slightest change in the volcanic behavior, thereby minimizing the likelihood of unexpected eruption catching us off guard.
Very interesting statement, Dr. Fikar. Thank you for coming up to the station. Now we head back to our reporter Sila that has moved to the nearest evacuation site. Sila, who are you with at the moment?
As you can see, I'm with a local of the area that was affected by the eruption. Mrs. Naila, can you explain what you were doing when the eruption happened?
I was inside my home when the eruption began. The ground trembled violently and darkness as the sky was engulfed in ash and smoke. The deafening roar of the eruption filled the air and the heat became unbearable. We were urged to evacuate immediately, but fear held many of us back. Eventually, we had no choice but to flee, leaving behind our belongings and livelihoods. It's been days since the eruption, yet the trauma of the fateful moment continues to haunt us, but Alhamdulillah, my family and I are safe. I hope the volcanic eruption does get worse and we can all carry out normal activities again.
Very unfortunate indeed. My condolences are with you, Mrs. Naila. Now we move on to a member of SAF. Ms. Nashwa, what you have and your team done to help the residents of this village?
Thank you, Ms. Reporter. Considering the ongoing disaster, it is imperative that a robust and coordinated response by local authorities and emergency services. Evacuation effort must be prioritized to ensure the safety of residents in affected areas, while immediate access to medical aid, clean water, and food supplies is essential to address the urgent needs of those impacted. Moreover, governmental support is paramount in aiding those who have lost their homes and livelihoods, aiding in their recovery and eventual rebuilding effort. For hospitals, we have prepared a temporary treatment area in a place nearby but safe from the eruption.
That's very reassuring, Mr. Nashwa. Now we head back to the station.
Thank you, Sila, for your comprehensive report. As the situation continues to evolve, we remain committed to keep our viewers informed with the latest updates. Stay tuned as we bring you more developments on the ongoing eruption of Mount Semeru in East Java